All right, so introducing our first semi-finalist of the day for the World Latte Art Championships, representing Accro Coffee from Hong Kong, Tse Kwun Kit.
Morning. 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 Okay. Okay. So the technical judge. So I'm ready. Judges, are you ready? Okay. Time. Hello everyone. I'm Captain Keith. Welcome back to my ocean exploration tour. First, I will take you to the Pacific Ocean to see my favorite animal, the walrus. Now, let's get your camera ready. Hello. To identify my pattern structure, all my people are designed with a clockwise rotating composition. You can see the whole picture by following a clockwise direction. Okay, let's meet the walrus. First, I will use a rosetters to create the walrus body and the feet, and then slow pull to draw the long and sharp teeth. And finally, I will finish the tails and the nose with two halves. Okay. My previous animal, walrus. Okay, the huge body. Don't forget your photo movement. Okay, let's continue to our journey. And the next we're going to see is a squid in the deep blue ocean. They are default monster into the darkness. But no worry, I will introduce the friendly squid to you. Okay, here we go. The script and series will make with rosettes, and I will outline the script body in one line with slow pour technique. And finally, I will drop 3 bubbles to wrap the whole picture in circle. Okay. Let's say hello to the script. Okay, another script is coming to you. Be careful the script ink. Okay, before we finish our journey, let's dive deeper to the ocean bottom. Okay, let's see what we find. It is a beautiful seashell. The difficult in this pattern is to step 5 layers at the same angle to create a rotating composition. And finally, finish the body in slow pour technique. Okay, a beautiful seashells is just for you. Okay, no worry, the others giving to you. Okay, I'm Captain Keith. Thank you all for you joining me today, and see you next time. Time.
And that was representing Hong Kong, Tse Kwun Kit. Really nicely done. Tse Kwun, come join me over here.
Hello.
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 Day 2.
Day 2, still exciting.
Yeah, first
Yeah.
one up though. How are you
Yeah.
feeling?
It's almost a 5 year before my first time to the semifinal. It's still, the macchiato is the most difficult part.
I mean, so traditionally,
Yeah.
I think most people experience macchiatos as just a dollop of foam on the top.
Yes.
This is the first time I've ever seen it so
Yeah.
artistically represented. So,
Yes.
yeah, really well done. And what made you decide on your beautiful sea or deep sea
Yes.
theme?
Yes. Because, you know, you always saw some animal, there's not a sky or some land, but now today it's time to get deeper. Yeah. So maybe Milano is too hot. It's like get cooler.
A little bit of water would be
Yeah,
nice.
Yes,
Yeah,
sure.
for sure. And is there anything you want to say? I mean, there's going to be supporters rooting for you from Hong Kong. Day two, you know, big things to play for in the semis, going into the finals tomorrow.
Thank you.
Is there anything you want to say to anyone?
I'm still the big fans for my team. They give me so much, the sport. Also, this, this dress. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So, just big fans for you. Yeah.
Amazing. Well,
Yeah.
thank you so much. You've really worked hard today. Good job, and we'll see you later on.
Okay,
So thank
sure.
you, Tse Kwun.
Thank you.
Perfect. And we're going to be back momentarily with our second competitor of today, so stay tuned.